Hi guys. We're gonna read a story today for reading workshop. It's a really cool book. And I have it right here. It's called "Thank You, Earth," and it's a love letter to our planet. So in April, Earth Day happens, and we're also going to be taking a look, doing some science things, and talking about how all about the Earth's resources. So before I start reading, I want you to be thinking about, as I read, um, different ways that you notice maybe plants or animals or humans, um, how they're thanking the Earth. In what ways are they doing that? So while I'm reading, I want you to be thinking about that. So here we go. I might adjust this a little bit, make sure you guys can see. Thank You, Earth, a love letter to our planet by April Pulley Sayer. Dear Earth, thank you for water and those that float, for slippery seaweed and stone. Thank you for mountains and minerals that strengthen bills and bone. Thank you for air, even fishy whale breath. Thank you for colors and coastlines and beach. Thank you for tiny and towering. For trees and vines that reach. Thank you for curves and prickles and parallels, for patterns, all shapes that repeat. Wow, that's a beautiful picture. I love sunflowers. Thank you for leaves and stems and buds, for plant parts we can eat. Thank you for sounds and storms and seasons, for struggles and pale in-betweens. Thank you for rays and radials and overlapping greens. Thank you for jumbles, ingredients for soil, and bright new growth in spring. Thank you for those that crawl. Yes, all, even for those that sting. Thank you for sunsets, for sky room for birds, for edges eyes can roam. Thank you for beginnings, for endings, for lifetimes. Thank you for being our home. And that is the end of this story. And I just love the photographs in this book. I just think that they're beautiful. And I think that that's an awesome story. So for reading today, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be Writing a reflection. Yes, please, writing. We're going to take a little break from technology. You're going to be writing a short reflection about perspective. And what I mean by that is you're going to think about what I said before. I asked you to be thinking about how animals, humans, plants, how they thank the earth. And you're going to kind of have to take when you're thinking about how you can obviously think about how humans thank the earth because you are a human. But to understand why a plant or an animal might thank the earth, you have to put yourself in their shoes. You have to have their perspective on things. That's where that word comes from. So what you're going to do in your reflection today is you're going to tell me about how or why animals, plants, and even humans thank the earth. What might they thank the earth for? You don't have to tell me how exactly, but you can. You can take this kind of however you want. It's your reflection. So remember, there isn't a right or wrong answer unless you're writing about something that is off topic. So just whatever's in your mind. Why do you think plants thank the earth? Why do you think animals thank the earth? Why do you think we thank the earth? So hopefully this book gave you some really good ideas as to different ways that they all thank the earth. So just write down and let me know what you think, and and then you're going to share your reflection on Flipgrid. And then if you're still feeling kind of stumped or you're unsure of how to start, you can watch the video there's a link to in this section that just gives you, it's very short and it gives you a couple ideas on how to get your reflection started if you're still kind of thinking, I'm not really sure how to go about this. So have fun today, and I will see you again soon. Bye.